Hello, friends of Edibles. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are most welcome. Today, I share with you how to make tiger nut milk. You can also say tiger nut drink. Join me and let's make this together. Now, cheers. Into a bowl, I pour in tiger nut. To that, I add water to it. We are going to wash our tiger nut. Wash as many as you can, okay? Mine has already been washed, but I still want to demonstrate for you guys to see, okay? After that, we will drain the water out and then we add water to it again. This time around, we are going to soak our tiger nut overnight. So I'll cover it and then put this in my refrigerator to rest till the next day. Hello there, it's the next day. Now go ahead and give it a rinse. Drain the water out. All right, these are the other ingredients we are going to add. I have coconut here, ginger. I have taken out the back, and you don't need to do that. It's totally optional. And I also have date here. I have already removed the seeds in it, and they are all nicely clean. So I will go ahead and then dice the coconut into smaller pieces to make it easy to blend. I don't want to put too much pressure on my blender, okay? We are done with the coconut, so I'll go ahead and cut the ginger too into smaller pieces. And we are done here, so I add my nicely diced coconut into the tiger nut. That is 2 ingredients, and then I add my date, making it 3, and finally I add the ginger, making it 4. We transfer everything into our blender and then we add potable water to it. Make sure the water you're using is safe for drinking, okay? We are not going to cook it, so you have to make sure that the water is very safe for you. Now I blend it till smooth. I'll be using this cloth to strain our blended ingredients, okay, to get milk out of it. Rinse my blender, add the water to it. Now squeeze it hard to get more juice, okay? That is milk. The harder you squeeze, the more milk you get, all right? And yes, we are done here. And now our tiger nut milk is ready. Very easy and simple to make at home, guys. One thing you should know about this milk or this drink is that it easily ferment, okay? So it will be advisable you store it in your freezer. It will solidify anyway, but you can thaw it before you drink and it will still taste fresh. So that is the best way you can preserve your tiger nut milk if only you don't want it to ferment. Better still, you can add a preservative to it, but this is homemade. There are certain things we don't add it to homemade foods, okay? So the best way is to store it in your freezer. Now I add some ice block to my milk and then I got my straw mixed together and then enjoy. Hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Now cheers. This is so good. The milk is giving. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next one, stay blessed. Bye y'all.